Hello everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to make a raised bed out of a chest freezer. My chest freezer broke, as I explained in my last video, so I'm going to show you how we're going to fill it up. Let's get started. So here we have the chest freezer. I know it's not sitting exactly level. I can do that probably a little later. So we need to fill it up. So let's get a little closer here. And show you what we have. So we're going to fill this cavity up. Now I opened up the drain. So you can see there's a drain down there. So we're going to fill it up very cheaply. Now Lowe's has red, black, and brown mulch. 2 for $5. So my thought is we need water to go through to get into the drain hole. Like I said, I'll balance this thing out a little later. So, what we're going to do, we're going to fill this thing full of mulch. We got 5 bags. That's one. Just spread it around. Pack it down in here. I don't know how many it'll take. So I figure get the 5, get the discount. $2 a bag, pretty good, I think. And this also is going to add a little material and it'll break down eventually. That's 2. Pack it down. See, water will go through it and leftover come out the bottom. It'll come out a little, maybe red like it's bleeding, but that's all right. What mulch I don't use, I can always spread it someplace else. Well, I got a couple bags left. You can always use them somewhere. Okay. Now, like I said, I can use that somewhere else. What I actually should do, let me tell you what. Let me take a little bit out of here. Because I think it's just a little bit too full. So we're going to take some out real quick. Because I want to add some pine bark mulch. Mainly because I want to plant strawberries in this, and it's an acid-loving plant. Okay. I'm just gonna put this over here. Okay. So now we're gonna get the pine bark. I didn't get this bag to put the whole thing in here, because I'm going to use this out in the garden for the strawberries and the blueberries out there. I just want to get some in here. Mainly to cover up this stuff here. Okay, that should be good. So I'll put that right here. So just spread it out. Press it down. Now I wasn't too sure upon how much mulch was going to cover this thing in. So now, the potting soil, the heavy stuff. I brought 3 bags over. Again, I wasn't too sure on how much I'm going to need. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. There'll be a little bell icon. Click on that so any new videos come out, you will see them. This stuff has fertilizer in it. So whatever I plant in here, it'll help it to grow. I know I got a little bit much in there, but it's alright. Everything settles down after a period of time. Especially when the mulch breaks down. It's not fancy, but it'll work. I can always paint this thing later, since it basically is self-contained. And there we go. A nice, simple solution to an old appliance that fails. I think it should have lasted longer than 4 years, but that's what you get. Let me wash my hands off here. Whew, boy, that water's cold. But anyways, that's it for that. So, tell me what you think. I've had some thoughts. Maybe I can paint this thing up and make it look like a log cabin. The only thing I have to do is prime the thing a little bit, sand it down, put some tape all around it, paint it up to look like logs. But it's a simple solution to what you got laying around. So you let me know in the comments what you think of this. Like it, hate it, maybe something else I could have done better. But at least now I got another place to plant my strawberries. So for now, the lid, I can just set it on here until I'm ready to plant. And there we go. A raised bed made from a chest freezer. Thank you for stopping by my homestead. I really appreciate you coming by. And I'll see you in the next video. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed before, do so. Hit the bell icon. Share it with your friends. See you in the next one.